featuring Camry Kings, and right now we're running late, and as always, but right now we're gonna meet up with a couple of homies, and we're gonna ride out all the way to the Yonkers and try to get as much clips as I can. And what are they doing? Hello, people. Oh. Guys deal with if you live in New York. Unlike in California, we're like wide highways. It's really narrow, the highways here, especially when everybody has to deal with the snow. Whew. And for some people that don't even take the snow out of their roof, and that's very dangerous, guys. Let's see who gets there first. There's gonna be supposed to be two homies. One is modded Accords, and we'll see who gets there first. This where I said he's 1 minute away. I'm like 1 minute away too. We'll see who gets there first. See him, so ooh, look who's here. Oh, look at it's good, bro. I just got here. I was like, it was taking me that way, it was taking me that side. I was like, wait, it's this side. Yeah. All right, so we're rolling out right now, so it's like at least about half-hour drive, but we'll make it there, we'll get it. So I'll try to get some roll clips. Oh, see you in a few. And it was a good cruise, but we don't really get it into anything. Oof, the president's here. Or the VP. Alright, I gotta look. I gotta organize us by color, by hair. So we're here, guys. Alright, we're moving. Camera Kings are over there. But yeah, it's actually pretty cold. But we're moving. So yeah. Some of the team are here. Camera Kings are gold over there, but we're moving, so. Oh damn, we got cops already? We got cops already? That's crazy.
Visor.
Can we not be here? We got a 2.0 touring here. Oof. Man, that's just clean. Lower? Whew. People coming from all the way from Connecticut? Damn. We got tons over here. Oh, this is touring on 2021. Let's see what's the ruckus here about. Water the cord. Hey, what's up, bro?
It's good, man.
What are we doing? You're a reflector?
Huh?
You're a reflector?
Yeah. I haven't seen Chris in a minute, so. You gotta put him to work?
Wait, which reflector did you get? Tyra? Oh, that one?
Yeah, the air release one.
Get the fucking V4 power lights. It'll match perfectly with your lights. They're smoky.
Yeah, right. It does. And this one is without plugging.
Oof. I'm gonna get air. Damn. They have the same lip. But damn, this shit is clean. What do you guys think about this? Should I get it? What is this? 2019? Damn. Ah, this shit is so nice. Look at the gap. Damn. I don't know why they got like. Look at those exhausts. I want them some exhaust. Oh, I know this guy. After 6 years, 6 months, finally met each other. Damn, that sounds nice. Whew. You got an Empire Boys? You got an Empire Boys JDM? They're an Empire Boys JDM? Damn. That looks nice. You got an Empire Boys? Oh, follow them on Instagram, Camera Kings, I believe. And on the other side, well, obviously, my team, TeamXAccord. So, calling it slow Yoda. Damn. Ah, that shit looks clean. Damn. Look at the model decors right over there. Yeah, this looks nice. God damn, they have a whole lineup over there. What is it, TRD? It is a TRD. Damn. Shit.
Camry eating back.
Ooh. Oh, I like this one. Not because my car is silver, but yeah. Damn. Shit. You got a Subaru? I didn't even notice that one. There's an STI? Damn. Whew. Damn. Even more people coming in for the Camry squad. Damn. The slow Yoda. Damn. Look at it. TRD. TRD looks nice in person. She looks mad clean. Oof. Huh? Okay.
What's up, man?
What up, bro? Thanks for coming through.
What's up, bro? Woo. So that's how we do meet in New York, but because cops is always on us, so we gotta keep it low. So that's it, guys. That's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But right now I'm just heading home, and I hope you guys like what you guys saw, because I definitely do. So I'm just gonna end it over here, and until next time, peace.